Notion is known for its complexity and it's killing me. I can't comprehend this. Why there is so many things in there? Have you heard about Notion formulas? It is like a coding, but in freaking note-taking app. You can automate whatever you want, but you need to know a programming language. Why? Still, I'm using it, and I used it for every single video that was produced on this channel, and there is more than 200 of them. But recently I found out about the app that was a Notion killer. It was still a note-taking app, but it was something different. And the reason behind this is that it was simple, and this is what I was craving in Notion. A beautiful, sleek, minimalistic design, documents on the side, text with a beautiful font in front of you. This app is called Kortex. Introduced by Denko, the guy that is like copywriting genius. It got me through the feel of this style and design. Everything is sleek. The font is placed everywhere. There is no elements that is not needed. Like in Notion, when you choose the status of the board, there's like a comment button that blocks it, and I sometimes miss it. There is double checkbox in Notion, and there is a reason I switched to it. I started to fully writing scripts of my videos in there. They actually have more functions like capturing the thing, where you capture it as a hot idea into the document kind of folder. They have other features like tags, where you can add them and connect them with other documents, and then you have a connection and you can flick around them, you can open them in side screens, which is really cool. But mainly I picked elements. They have these blocks that you can type slash and type the block that you created previously. So I use it, say, for the hook of the video. I just type slash and then hook. So I created these blocks that already have a structure of my video. And so I know there is a block on hook, a story, a 3 bullet point, a CTA, and then the checklist that I want to go through. I kinda put a principle inside of my note-taking process. The things are repeating, and I can create them that easily inside of a Kortex, which is really cool. And this is why I switched, and I think you should try it too. This is why I created a template called YouTube Video Template, and I put it into my community down below, so click the first link to join it. And this template is basically a blogs, and actually a blocks inside of blocks. For example, this, I have title ideas, thumbnail ideas, and then script, and inside of script I got one more element, hook and story, and also 3 bullet points. This changed the game because I can expand this or close it. So say for titles, I type title in there, and then I close it up, and the title is hidden, but I can still read it, which is really cool, and it doesn't take that much space. So I see the title ideas in there, and also the title. Just try it out yourself. The link is down below. Just copy this template and use it. Try it for yourself. Just give it a go and see if it works. Because in Notion I just put headings of the same things, but I could expand them. The document went really big. Now everything is more organized and simple. Now, to mention, this video was written, as many of my videos, in Kortex. I tried it for more than 30 days and I'm happy that I did. Let me see the next point actually here. I still use Notion. Why you should too. Now, the reason I use Notion is there is sadly no tables at the moment recorded in the Kortex. So what I mean by tables is this. I have the content calendar with every single video that I've created, and I kinda organize them in the way that I know that this video will be posted. So I not completely dumped Notion, but the script writing in there, if you go open and you go, okay, I have created this script. There's like story, main part, and 3 bullet points. And this is just a text. I can, like I said, the document went big, but for organizing it into calendar view, into an overview of like a databases of my videos, it's helpful, and I still use it. Still, Kortex is a new app that is developed every day. That is not like Notion, a big corporation. It is a small startup, I think, which listens to people, and it already did. So say for Notion, it has this animations, but Kortex does not. They removed it because somebody said that without animation it does work better, which is the case, because like literally look at how fast I can navigate through it. I truly think it's a good tool to use to your script writing, and I didn't give you much script writing techniques. Well, I think the template shows it all. It explains it nicely, so use it. Once again, the link is below.